Today I am going to start mensuration. Your chapter is surface area and volume of 3D shape. First of all, you should know what is 3D shape. 3D means what? 3D means three-dimensional. 3D means three-dimensional. Dimensional shape. 3D means three-dimensional. Three-dimensional means what? Like length, breadth and height should be there. Height. Like suppose you take this is a three-dimensional. This book is a three-dimensional because it has length, it has breadth and this is height. Length, breadth, this is the height. This object belongs to 3D, three-dimensional shape. It is a keyword because length, breadth and height are unequal. In case of length, breadth, height are unequal, it is called three-dimensional. Today our topic is three-dimensional shape. You have to find out surface area. Means it is a surface. It has how many surface? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 surfaces is there. It means you have to find out surface area and volume. Volume is capacity. How much volume, how much space is occupied by this 3D object. 3D object means length is there, breadth is there, height is there. Means it is occupied in space. Okay. There are three different types of three-dimensional geometry. One is cuboid. This is nothing but a cuboid. This is a cuboid. Means length, breadth and height is there. This is a cuboid. So first of all, you should know one by one. Let us discuss three-dimensional geometry figure. One is number 1, cuboid. Cuboid. Second one is cube. Okay. Number 3, sphere. Like football type. And number 4, cone. Like we are eating ice cream, cone ice cream. Cone. Number 5, cylinder. Okay. These are things we have to memorize. Today topic is 3D. Okay. Three-dimensional shape. Which has length, which has breadth, which has height. We are taking one example, cuboid. It is a 3D cube, sphere, cone, cylinder. Okay, let us go one by one just to see. First I am taking cuboid. This is a cuboid. Just to take one figure, this is a cuboid. Like brick. This one is length, this one is breadth, this one is height. Okay. What is the surface area? First one. Surface area means total surface. Surface area of cuboid. What is that? 2 whole into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay. This is total surface area. Total surface area. And area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls means 4 sides. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Area of 4 wall, which is equal to lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. The formula will be 2 whole into L plus B into H. Number 3, there is a formula required for the calculation. Okay. Surface area means total surface area. Area of 4 walls, other name is lateral surface area. Next is called volume. Volume means capacity. What is the volume of cuboid? That is length into breadth into height. How to find out the diagonal of a cuboid? The diagonal of a cuboid, number 4. diagonal. The length of diagonal of a cuboid, how to find out? That is L square plus B square plus A square root over. There are 4 formula required for the calculation of surface area, volume and diagonal. Okay. Which one we have taken? That is a cuboid. We have taken cuboid. Okay. Cuboid is a geometrical figure. It is a 3D shape. 3D means length, breadth, height are unequal. Okay. Surface area means total surface area formula is 2 whole into L into B, B into H plus H into L. Okay. Area of 4 walls I have written the formula. Volume means capacity, length of diagonal written. Okay. Let us go next one. Let us take cube. Cube means length, breadth and height are equal. In case of cube, the length should be equal to breadth, should be equal to height. Okay. Therefore, total surface area of a cube, the formula is 6 into side whole square, because all the sides are equal. Because in this case all the sides are equal. Next, number 3, chord surface area. Not just like lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means area of 4 walls. Okay, that is 4 into side whole square. 4 into side whole square. Next, capacity. Capacity means volume. That will be side whole cube. And length of diagonal, how to find out? Length of diagonal. The length of diagonal in this case, this will be all the sides are equal, means L square plus L square root over. How many L square are you getting? That is 3 L square root over. That means root 3 into side. Is it clear? Because this will be root 3 into L. L means what? Side. This is all about all the formula required for cube. For the calculation of lateral surface area, total surface area, capacity, volume of the cube. We are discussing about the cube. It is a geometrical figure, 3D shape, having length, breadth, height are equal to each other. Okay. Let us go next one. Hello friend, next I am taking 3D shape like cylinder. It is a cylinder, just like this. This is the height, and this is the plane surface. This is the plane, this is also plane surface. Okay. And this one is chord surface. That means a cylinder, one is chord surface and 2 plane. One is plane this side, another is down side. This is one plane surface, this is also plane surface. But this one is, this surface is plane surface. Plane surface. And this also plane surface. The surrounding portion is chord surface. Okay. This one is chord surface. CS, chord surface. Chord surface is this surrounding portion. Okay. Now see, what is the volume of cylinder? The volume of cylinder. Volume is capacity, already I have told. Volume of cylinder formula is area of base. Area of base into height. Area of base. Area of base means it is a circle. Circle area is what? Area of circle is what? Pi r square into height. H means height. Okay. Pi means 22/7 or 3.14. What is r? R is the radius of the base of the cylinder. H means height. Okay. Number 2, chord surface area. Chord surface area. The chord surface formula is circumference of base. Circumference of base into height. Into height. What is the circumference of the base? This is the circumference, right? Surrounding portion. Okay. This circumference is what? Like 2 pi r. 2 pi r h. Next is area of base. Already I have written pi r square. Total surface area. Total surface area formula will be chord surface area plus 2 into base area. Chord surface area formula is 2 pi r h and 2 into area of base, that is pi r square. You can take 2 pi r common, 2 pi r common. What left here? H plus r. Okay. This is all about solid cylinder. What type of cylinder? This is all about solid cylinder having height h, base radius I have taken r. Then volume of cylinder formula is area of the base into height. Area of the base is what? Area of the base means it is circle. Area of circle formula is what? Pi r square. What is pi value? You know, pi value is what? The pi value is 22/7 or 3.14. Okay. Either you can take 22/7 or 3.14. This is a constant. Chord surface area. Chord means the surrounding portion. Chord surface area is circumference of base into height, 2 pi r h. Total surface area means chord surface area plus 2 into base area. Now finally this one 2 pi r whole into h. This is all about cylinder. Last one it will be, next it will be cone.
3.
Next we are taking 3D shape like cone. You have taken from the market ice cream, cone ice cream. Again you have seen the cap also. See, this is a cone. Okay, this is just like cone. This is plane surface. This you see, this is a plane surface. This is circle. This is a circle. This is like a cone. This is nothing but a circle. This is a shape. This one is slant height. This one is slant height. The middle one height is, this is the height and this is the slant height. This is the slant height. You see, this height is called slant height. And this is the base radius. And this is the height. Okay. This is looks like cone. This is a 3D shape because it is occupying some space in, means occupying volume. Okay. Slant height, and base radius. Just to see. The volume of the cone, the formula is 1/3 area of base into height. What is the area of base? It is a circle I have told. That is pi r square. Height means what is? This height you have to take. This is slant height. Slant because it is slanting. Slant height. The volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Second one, chord surface area. Because a cone has chord surface area formula is pi r l. L means slant height. How to find out L? L means see, L square is equal to h square plus r square. If L not given, you have to find out by this formula. This is using by Pythagoras. So this is right angle triangle. This is the relation among L, h, r. This is the height. H square plus r square will give you L square. Then square root will give the slant height. Chord surface area formula is pi r l. Next we come to total surface area. Total surface area will be chord surface area plus area of base. Area means base area. The chord surface area is what? Pi r l, and this one is area base is pi r square. Take pi r common. What is left here? L plus r. This is all about the total surface area, chord surface area and volume of solid cylinder. This is all about discussing about solid cylinder. Okay. Already we have completed 4 figure, cube, cuboid, cylinder, and this is cone. Last one, as for your syllabus, sphere. Hello students, next I am taking 3D shape like sphere. You know sphere like football type, football. Have you seen football? Football, just like sphere. I have taken solid sphere. Okay, it has one radius. In case of solid sphere, the volume is 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube. And it has only one surface, that is chord surface area. Chord surface area, एक ही surface, that is 4 pi r square. Okay, these two formula required for solid cylinder. But in case of hollow cylinder, the formula volume will be, in that case, In case of hollow cylinder, 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube. This is outer radius, this one is inner radius, okay. Outer is capital R, inner radius is small r. 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube. And same process, cross surface area will be, cross surface area means outer surface area is 4 pi r square and inner cross surface area will be 4 pi small r square, means we have to take 4 pi common, that is r square plus r. This is the total surface, outer plus, this is the outer surface area, this is inner surface area of a hollow cylinder. These two formula for hollow cylinder and these two formula for solid cylinder. This is hollow cylinder, volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube. This is the outer radius, this is inner radius. And cross surface area, same process, outer cross surface area 4 pi r square, inner cross surface area 4 pi small r square. I have taken 4 pi common, okay. This is all about solid cylinder as well as hollow cylinder. But in case of hemisphere, what is the formula for volume for hemisphere? Volume of hemisphere. Hemisphere is half of the sphere. That is just like this hemisphere. You have to see. This is just hemisphere, okay. This is the half of the just hemisphere. This is the hemisphere. This one is plane. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3. That is half of the volume, 2 by 3 pi r cube. Again, number 6. Cross surface area of hemisphere, that will be total cross surface area 4 pi r square. This will half only this portion, that is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. In case of hemisphere, that is on plane surface, this is circle. This is the total surface area, will be total surface area of hemisphere. One is cross surface area, that is 2 pi r square, plus area of the base, that is pi r square. Total you are getting how much? That is 3 pi r square. R is what? Radius of the sphere. Today we have completed cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone and sphere. All the formula today I have discussed, including all the 3D figure, 3-dimensional figure. Okay. Next your homework is you have to memorize all the formula related 3D shape. Okay. 3D shape, how many formula written? In case of cuboid, cube, cone, cylinder and sphere. Sphere just like football type. I have discussed about solid cylinder. I have discussed about hollow cylinder as well as hemisphere, that is half of the cylinder. Okay, I hope you are able to understand the process of writing all the formulas. Today is this much class. Next we will complete the sums from the book exercise.